जी। Oceanic wave in the form of, I said that it can be in a tidal wave, it can be, or it can be, I said that oceanic wave. If I'll talk about India has a very long coastline. India has very long coastline. And if I'm talking about tidal wave energy, if I'm talking about tidal wave energy, so it is at, I said that Gulf of Cambay, in which I said that Gulf of Cambay, and I said that in the Kolkata port. Understood? I said that Kolkata port, uh, Hooghly region. These are the two, and India has potential to produce 10,000 megawatt of electricity, tidal wave energy. Understood? So these are the two regions. I said that tidal wave energy, Gulf of Cambay, and then I said that Kolkata or Hooghly region, Howrah, Hooghly. Understood? Hooghly river. And in this region, tidal wave energy, generally what happens, that it is like a dam itself. इसके structure देखा जाए तो structure is like a dam itself, and there are several turbines are there. Suppose this is in a dam structure, and this side is ocean, and then ocean water keeps on rising up during the tide, and when during the tide, when the ocean water enter through this and then coming into this region, water क्या होगा, पानी यहाँ उड़ गया, then it will start going through the pressure, and then turbine will start moving. Understood? And then the electricity producing. But if there is some fishes or marine animals are there, they will be killed. They will be killed. So this way it is producing. And when the tide goes, again the water from here, and then again ocean wave, tidal wave, it will come like this, then again the water will come from here, and that is again started producing electricity. Understood? So you can be able to see the construction cost is very high. Construction cost is, I said that construction cost is, I said that very high. इसका construction cost जो है बहुत high है, just similar to dam. Understood? We have to make like this. Construction cost is very high. But production comparatively is time bound. Yes or not? Production कैसा होगा? लिख लेंगे. Production will be what? Construction cost is very high, but production is, I said that, time bound. But production is, I said that, time bound. Got it? Understood? It can kill several marine animals. It can kill several marine animals. It can kill several marine animals, means environmental concern, means environmental concern. Clear? समझ में आ चुका? This is I said that tidal. Another I said that ocean wave energy. I said that. And which are the two reasons ocean wave energy? I said that. Which are the two reasons? Gulf of Cambay and Hooghly region. बोला करेंगे I said that Gulf of Cambay and Hooghly region, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ही tides आता है और हर जगह ये नहीं हो सकता है. The tidal energy can not be produced everywhere. Where the tides are coming in that region only. So it is not everywhere, it is in a specific regions are there. And now the next one I said that ocean wave energy. Suppose यहाँ coastal region है और coastal region पे हमने क्या किया, छोटे छोटे यहाँ पर I said that turbines type के structure बना दिए. What I have created? Turbine structure, and when the waves will come and it will go away, it will make the turbine to what? Move. It will make the turbine to move, and at the same time it will pressurize some water here. Understood? और ये water जब यहाँ से pressurize होकर आता है तो इस water में से purify करते हैं लोग. That I said that इसको हम लोग यहाँ पे desalinization. And desalinization से we are also getting what? Fresh water, and also we are getting gold and other minerals dissolved in oceanic water. Desalinization. Understood? Desalinization. So this water also, where there is a good oceanic wave energy is there we can be able to do it. Understood? Wave is stronger. And in the Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, there is I said Vijingam ocean wave energy. Vijingam ocean wave energy. VIZHI Vijingam in Thiruvananthapuram. Understood? And there is also, it is in the Tuticorin. It is also, I said that in I said Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu, we have also ocean wave energy. Understood? Next one that we can be able to see, I said that geothermal energy in India. Geothermal energy. Right now, geothermal energy means utilization of energy available at the shallow depth of earth crust in the form of hot water. In the form of hot water. In the form of hot water. In India, this geothermal energy are available in the form of hot spring and geyser. गीज़र का मतलब जहाँ से स्टीम के रूप में पानी आए. हॉट स्प्रिंग एंड गीज़र and this hot water pump upward first case यदि if the hot water is, I said that below 100 degrees Celsius means 70-80 degrees Celsius, if the hot water is pumped, then I will pass it through the low pressure chamber. Then there will be, I said that if the hot water is pumped up, and if it is, I said that listen me carefully, then this hot water will be, I said that pumped up, then I'll pass it through, I said that low pressure chamber. I will pass it through low pressure chamber. Thereafter it will convert into steam, and then this steam, I said that this steam, I said that help in moving turbine and producing, generating electricity. And I said that it will be, then it will pass through condenser. Then this pipe will pass through what? Condenser, जहाँ पे पानी को condense करके it will put inside the earth. Clear? There will be a turbine, and turbine से पीछे क्या होगा? Armature will be connected and generating the electricity. And I am talking about when the temperature of the water 70-80 degrees Celsius like this, low temperature. और एक और चीज़ कर सकते हैं हम लोग, ध्यान से देखेंगे. So it will pass through low pressure chamber, or suppose this is passing 70-80, तो आसपास के पाइप में I'll flow butane gas. What I'll flow? Butane gas, and this butane gas, it will be by 70 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius temperature, it will become faster like steam, and they will make the turbine to move. जब उसको मिलता रहेगा और ये, it will be connected with the what? Turbine. So the butane by the 70-80 degrees Celsius will help in the what is moving the turbine always. Understood? The free of energy 70-80 degrees Celsius मिल रहा है, and butane को हम लोग खत्म नहीं कर सकते, वो हमेशा साइकिल होता रहेगा. It will keep on going and making the turbine to move. Understood? So this is the way that समझ में आ जाएगा. तो टू केस हमने एक केस देख रहे हैं कहाँ, when the temperature of the water, hot water is 70 और 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस. क्या लिखवाया था मैंने? What the last line? पहला केस क्या लिखा रहा हूँ? If the temperature of water is below 100 degrees Celsius, then it passes through low pressure chamber. Then it passes through low pressure chamber and convert into steam. And help in moving turbine and generating electricity. Clear? On the other hand, this hot water can pass through a chamber of butane gas where the butane gas through this hot water, where the butane gas through this hot water convert into steam and help in moving turbine to generate electricity, clear? Next point.